Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and this is the, what is it, the 7th of April 2023 vlog. Now yes, we are into April, so things are going to start heating up, which is about time because it's been pretty cold. Now we do have the competition announcement, which we'll go over later on in this vlog, but this week we've done a couple of inbox reviews here. It's been a bit of an F16 week as well. We've had this new tool by Kinetic Model Kits. It's their F16 C148 scale. You know, quite interesting to see. You know, I mean, Kinetic Model Kits, I mean, they have they've had a real kind of a nice F16 for some time, and now they've gone off and actually done a whole new tool. When I was reviewing it, in all honesty, I was almost thinking, hold on, have I accidentally picked up the old F16? I was slightly not impressed, but then you know, kind of looked at it a little bit more, and okay, it is better. It's maybe better than the Tamiya 148 F16. So yeah, I mean, there was a lot of ejector pin marks on this, which is what kind of basically didn't impress me. But if you do look at the Tamiya 148 scale, that also has ejector pin marks in all those kind of places like wheel well doors and landing gear and stuff. So and I've been told it does fit quite well. So yeah, and they are priced at around about the same, so it is probably better because you do get a lot more weapons than you do in the Tamiya 148 scale. So yeah, good one to go off and watch there. We do have the F16 CJ 172nd scale by Tamiya. Now I did this one, I know it's, it was a new tool around about 2014, but I'm kind of having this little bit of a problem where I'm running out of space to put my models, and I was kind of like, actually being with all these price rises and that we've been getting in the whole hobby, and you know, cost of living and all that kind of stuff, maybe not so bad doing a couple of 72nd scale kits, right? Because you know, they are cheaper. I think this was around about £23, and it is a nice kit. So yeah, maybe something to maybe start thinking about. Maybe I could start maybe doing some 172nd scale videos. You guys just let me know what you think on that one. But yeah, quite a good kit, nice and cheap. Also the Apache longbow. Yes, I have started it. I do apologize, I didn't manage to get the first episode up this week. I am so close with this one though. I'll just quickly show you some pictures, but yeah, I've started the whole cockpit tub. Right, we've been doing you know, canopy masking, bit of photo etch and stuff. It is looking like quite an impressive, you know, cockpit tub just there. It is rather big as well. I mean, it's 1/35 scale, so I mean, you kind of need that detail when you blow things up. So yeah, looking quite good. The first episode, I'm hoping, I mean, actually I'm actually filming this Friday morning, so maybe, fingers crossed, I'll have this maybe out tomorrow, maybe Monday, Tuesday, the first episode. So hopefully you're looking forward to that. That will be coming along, and yeah, it's going to be an intermediate step by step as well. Right, so we'll kind of skip all the, you know, the basic foundation stuff, kind of try and move things along, and it should be interesting because with helicopters, you know, the whole weathering stage, it is quite you know, it is similar to armored vehicles and aircraft, and you kind of put them together and have a little baby, and you know, that's helicopter kind of weathering, shall we say. So that's that. The Fucker Wolf, we'll see an episode of that next week as well. So let's just jump on to this last month's competition. Last month we were giving away this beauty just here, the Canadian Sabre F4 148 scale by Airfix. Really nice kit as well, but it's the first time actually we've gone off and done this whole competition thing on Discord, so it was actually good to see you guys really sort of take that on board, get over there. I had loads of people enter into this competition on Discord, but yeah, as I was doing the usual random number generation program and counting down the Discord topic, I came to Kiro 300. So Kiro 300, you are the winner. Congratulations. All you got to do is, you know, give me a PM, you know, anywhere on the website, Discord, whatever. Give me your mailing address and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. So yeah, congratulations to you, Kiro. Don't worry, we will have a competition for April, which I'm going to announce in next week's vlog. Right, so sadly we've kind of come to the end here. I mean, I will sort of mention, you know, Discord's coming along nicely. If you haven't got over there, really good idea to do so, because as I say, we're going to have next April's competition being announced next week, and you need to be on Discord to sort of get in on that, as well as all the fantastic work you guys do over there. So yeah, we've come to the end of the show. So next week we'll have some more inbox reviews. We'll have that episode 1 of the AH64 Apache, as well as the Fucker Wolf as well coming along. So nice couple of builds and everything going on there. But as always, until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this Genessis Models, and I'll catch you next week.